got off to a chilly start once again today, Keith, but it was a lot easier to take knowing what's coming next as we turn back the weather clock.
Yeah, we're going to transition back into October, which it becomes a relative thing eventually, but it is going to be a lot nicer. Today is that transitory day where we end up with temperatures in the 40s, and this whole thing is a warm front coming through, so that's why it's colder on the north side. Millinocket at 29, 26 in Greenville, south of the front, into the 40s. And you can see where that front is. There's a couple of snow showers along it, so it's not a particularly good looking day with those flurries over far northern Maine and also a lot of cloud cover statewide. But that cloud cover is slowly moving off to the north and east, such that we will start to clear out over southwestern Maine here in the next couple of hours. But I think for most of the state, we're probably cloudy until sunset. Sunset being so early this time of the year is a factor. Obviously, if it was summer, we might be able to clear it out in time. So there's the cloud cover. It comes out, clears out by tonight. Tonight is partly cloudy in most spots. Temperatures drop down into the 30s and low 40s, but not overly cold because that change of air mass has already occurred. So by tomorrow, that's when we really turn the corner. Temperatures in the upper 50s, low 60s, and some mid 60s, kind of in the usual suspect areas in Sanford and perhaps Freiburg and maybe Lewiston, and a lot of sunshine as well. So that 60 degrees with sun is going to feel vastly different than the last couple of days. We keep that going on Friday. We've got a mixture of sun and clouds turning to mostly sunny temperatures into the mid 60s, perhaps some upper 60s by Friday afternoon, and we roll into the weekend on that note. This overall pattern is a large-scale pattern change. You can see the very last-ditch effort of that cold air hanging on across the northeast, but all of that starts to get pushed out by tomorrow, and then the ridge dominates, not only for us, but for the entire east into early next week, which is going to give us temperatures well above average, probably through Tuesday, maybe Wednesday of next week, and then the party is over, so to speak. Here's what I'm thinking for Saturday. Nothing crazy, right? But 60s, upper 60s, maybe a 70 here and there. Overall, that's really the trend we're in. Temperatures 10 to 15 degrees above average straight through Monday and Tuesday when it stays warm. Again, I'm not sure if this ends on Wednesday or Thursday of next week, but what we can say in between, Pat, is it's a great stretch of weather. And we're adding to the warmth with the fact that it's really not going to rain during that stretch either.
All right, it's like going back to summer.
Yeah.
Thanks, Keith.